Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a Valentine's Day look. I will be doing some pink, some purple, but I really want to use Soul from the Norvina palette. Where is it? Right here. Oh my gosh, I really just want to put it like all over the lid. Also, I do not have any concealer on because my concealers are pretty much dried out. Like, they're still liquid, but when I blend them out and I let them sit, like, they start cracking like immediately. And you know, Fit Me has pretty good concealer, so this is just them being old, not necessarily the formula or anything. So what I used as concealer was e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, which the two foundations I picked up, well, not really picked up, that I ordered. This was nude, and I think the other one is sand, and they were both too light. They left like a white cast, and it's because they smell like straight up sunscreen. I think that's what it is. The SPF is throwing that white out too much, so I use that as my concealer. Now I did my brows. I didn't use pomade. It's just e.l.f. Pencil and Ultra Precise pencil. I didn't put no gel. I'll probably put gel after the video. So yeah, long intro, but here we go. So I really want to pack that color in first, just so if it doesn't look right, yeah, like I can change my mind. So just gonna go ahead and put this on here. Okay, so I'm back. Okay. And I know a lot of people are doing pink, so I want to incorporate pink because that's mostly what you see, pink and red. But I just think purple doesn't, you don't really see it as often. Like, you see it, but not as often. It's not the predominant color. So taking the smallest bit, well, just taking a little bit of I'm Single, and I'm dusting that off. Hopefully the blue doesn't transfer. And I'm just gonna stamp it on the outer edge. We can always go back in with Soul, because I know when I did that I lost some of the pigment, but that's alright. There, I zoomed you up. Let me turn on the brightness of my ring light. There. Okay. I'm just trying so hard. My desk is so messy because I attempted to do a different look. You heard that? I attempted to do a different look, but I found out that my concealers are old, so I didn't put anything up. And some of you know that I've been babysitting, so she just now got picked up, so that's why I started filming. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm grabbing Mary on this Wet n Wild blending brush. Here we go. It's so windy outside, you guys. It's kind of scary. So that's Mary, and I'm going to blend out the edges. Can you guys see? So I'm gonna get this dark purple Escape on this very wide Milani pecker brush. This angled brush from BH Cosmetics, the one that we used for single, and I'm just going to buff out that dark purple Escape, just a tiny bit really. That's how it looks. We're gonna go back to the Norvina and grab Soul. Right here, yeah. Okay, so I have this angled e.l.f. angled brush. So going for eyeliner, but your girl never does eyeliner because I'm not confident. I saw somebody like put powder in their waterline. Don't do this. Okay, no lie. That shit worked. And if you see a little bit of red on my lower lash line, I don't even know if I'm in frame. So I'm going to go with Dazzling. And just put that in the tear ducts. Sometimes I wonder if I'm wearing my eyelashes backwards. You know? Do you guys remember these? The roll-on ones? Oh, this one's dirty. Little roll-on ones. It actually still smells pretty good. Wow. So my eyeliner is coming off on this eye because it's wet. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and go to my Instagram to look at other photos. And yeah, so I hope you guys like it, and you like, share, and subscribe.